Good morning, but it's night. Go figure. Anyway, welcome to 2024. And check this out. I found a snowman in Florida. That's a Florida snowman. Anyway, if you haven't figured it out yet, it is New Year's Eve. Also, if you haven't figured it out yet, the daily vlog #1 for 2024 starts today. And this year is special. It's 366 days because it's a leap year. So I had to do a daily vlog again just because I can only do this once every 4 years. So it's my leap year daily vlog. Here we go. So the first thing you're going to see right here is a little clip of the last sunset in Florida of 2023. Anyway, we're here with Brian and Christina, Mama Badger. You've seen this place before. It's the Fisherman's Village here in Punta Gorda, Florida. And we're gonna eat, hang out. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's flashing lights out there. See those flashing lights? Well, that's actually the barge for the fireworks. So if we have the stamina to stay all the way till midnight, the fireworks should be fired off right there. I don't see us making it to that because Mama Badger's already like, I should have brought my leather jacket. So it's chilly for us Floridians. Anyway, we're gonna go find some food and welcome back to the daily vlog. Let's get started. All right, dinner's over. Now we're just kind of in the mall. Got a guy playing music. Waiting on Mama Badger to come out of the bathroom. We're gonna head over to the Tiki Hut, which is over by the water. There's supposed to be like a tribute band there. Go check that out. And then, I don't know if we'll make it to midnight, at least out. We'll be home and awake at midnight, because we are every night. I don't know if we'll stay out until midnight. Anyway, kicking off 2024 the right way. All right guys, so I gotta record the front of the building because they all say it's lit.
It's lit.
It's lit.
Very lit.
There you go. That's the front of Fisherman's Village. Let's go to the tiki bar. Let's see if it's lit. Let's hope not. It's straw. This is what happens when you put two 6-foot people in the back of a Toyota T100.
This ain't my first time back here. I know what it's like. I know what I'm getting into.
This is great. Oh,
We got plenty of space.
the adventures we have. Well, in case you're wondering, over my 30 or 45 day break I took, nothing has changed. We are here in front of the Christmas tree taking pictures because Mama Badger wants to take pictures. So what are we doing? Taking freaking pictures, as always. Anyway, we're downtown Punta Gorda now, which is pretty like not busy. The Tiki Hut I think is like directly down here. The bridge is over here and the water's just right down here too. We're taking
all of us.
a Fortnite photo.
It's gonna be dark, I bet.
Hey, what you doing over there, Brian?
Take a photo. We got 10 seconds. Ready? Oh wait,
That was not 10 seconds, Brian. His counting to 10 and my counting to 10 are different. All right, so here's the setup down at the tiki bars. You guys have seen the bridges we go over. There's the bridges that we go over. One going that way, one coming this way. But then we're at the very end here. You can see they got tiki huts, fire pits, and chairs out here. And then got a band over here. People are listening to. They're gonna grab a couple drinks. We're gonna find us some seats and hang out for a little while. Welcome to New Year's Eve in Florida. All right guys, that is a wrap. It is, time is it? We haven't made it to midnight yet. It's 11:41. We've almost made it to midnight. I plan on working on editing this video at midnight, so I can go to bed by like 1 or 2.
I already put my pajamas on.
Mama Badger's already ready for bed, so if that tells you anything. Anyway, 2023, it's a wrap. It's over. What an adventurous year. We were gone for like 105 days. We rode 25,000 miles on our bikes. We got to see a lot of new country, got to meet a lot of new people.
Awesome.
It was pretty freaking good year. Can't wait to see what 2024 brings.
Yay!
We have some really big announcements coming here in the beginning of the first quarter of 2024.
Yep.
Probably in January, but I'm not going to guarantee that because
Just in case.
We thought we'd have it ready by now, and we don't. So we literally, like, the last month we've worked, but like I took off of doing videos every day. We took off the week of Christmas to New Year's this last week. So we've just kind of been catching our breath and taking a step back. So now January 1st hits tomorrow.
And that's when we work in 24/7.
And then we go back to the grind, right?
Yeah.
Where we're working. Although, somebody is
Wants attention.
wanting attention really bad because we've been gone all night. But anyway, what was your favorite part of 2023? I told you I was going to ask you.
I know there's no favorite part other than just the traveling. We on motorcycles and period. We saw a bunch of different areas that we'd never seen before. Got to venture.
Right. Oh, check this out, guys. This is my Christmas present from Brian, who we were with tonight. I just noticed we hung them up on the wall. You guys see those? Pretty cool, right? He found those at like a swap meet or something and thought of me. So he bought those for me and gave them to me for Christmas. Pretty cool Christmas present. If you know me, knowing my love for motorcycles,
At a swap meet.
that's like the perfect thing because it's not new. Like you can't just go out and buy that.
Right.
So it's unique. I like stuff like that. But anyway, I'll get you guys all caught up on all the projects that I've done this past month. If you haven't seen the videos, red is now running. Silver's good. I just put some new parts on Mama Badger's bike. We're waiting on parts for the V-Rod and then the 99 we still got to tackle. The Jeep is running awesome. The truck is running awesome. I'm trying to get Mama Badger to let me buy a Corvette I found for like $3,000. Needs a little work. Needs a little work. But it's a fucking Corvette for $3,000. How do you beat that? So if you guys would leave comments below telling Mama Badger that I need that Corvette, I would appreciate it.
I thought it was $2,800.
I'm pretty sure it was. What did I say? $3,000?
Oh, I thought I said $4,000.
No, I said $3,000. Did I not say $3,000? Anyway, $3,000, $2,800. I feel like it's a Corvette for $2,800. How you go wrong? Anyway. I digress. Who knows if that project will ever come to fruition, but I'm always looking for the next thing, right? So anyway, that's it.
Next thing is 50 years.
The next thing is 50 years. So yeah, this year, not only is it leap year, but it is my 50th anniversary. And I'm saying 50th anniversary because it worked for Harley. Harley was 120th anniversary and they got to celebrate all year. I'm going 50th anniversary so I can celebrate all year.
I had to ask him to clarify.
Right.
That's the same answer I got.
That's right. I want to celebrate all year, so it's now my 50th anniversary this year. And so I want to do some cool stuff with the number 50. Like we've been talking about a lot of ideas for what we can do circulating around the 50. So stay tuned for that. Otherwise, you'll get to see me every day, and hopefully we'll get Mama Badger more involved this year.
Back to 366 days. No, back to Sonny talking to himself. I turned around, I'm like, huh? Oh, he's talking to you guys.
The best part was
world.
For over a month, like I didn't take my camera everywhere. Literally, I would be out and my camera would be home. I didn't even take it with me. So now I get back used to grabbing it everywhere I go, taking you guys along with me. Got to get back into the swing of things. But I had a good time. Everybody, all of you guys said that you really liked it. So that helped push me into doing it again.
Thanks, guys.
It's a leap year, so that helped as well. We'll see.
It's all good. I'm excited. I'm excited for you guys to do this with us again.
Yeah,
another year.
Especially when we can announce our big news. I think that'll we're taking you along on this adventure with us, and so I'm pretty excited to share that with you and then get you guys involved in that. Sounds like a kid is messaging us, probably Desiree, wishing us a happy new year.
Hopefully making lots of tips since she's working.
Anyway, guys, happy new year. Welcome to 2024, and we will see you guys tomorrow.
Next year.
But technically, when you're watching this, we'll see you tomorrow.
Good night.